Now that we have our 5 seeds and the passphrase, we'll create our 5 signing keys by adding the passphrase on top of each seed, and then back up the fingerprint of each signing key. This fingerprint with passphrase will allow us to verify that we correctly entered the passphrase when transforming each seed. First, when we create the Bitcoin wallet, and later when we want to sign outgoing transactions. Now that we have the passphrase ready, we're gonna create our signing keys by combining each seed with the passphrase. So for this one, we will mostly need the QR codes of each seed. So we're gonna take out the 12 words because we won't need them right now. Okay, so here I have my 5 QR codes for the seeds. I'm gonna keep one backup of the passphrase. The other 2 will be put on the side. And so now what we're gonna do is load the seed in the seed signer, add the passphrase on top, check the fingerprint that appears, and write the fingerprint down here. Fingerprint with passphrase. And once we have the 5 new fingerprints for our signing keys, we'll copy them in our paper backups. So we'll start by powering up the seed signer. And we'll do it in the right order. So we'll do seed 1, seed 2, seed 3, seed 4, and seed 5. Okay, so we can remove the SD card now. And now what we're gonna do is simply choose scan. And then scan the QR code. So it's scanned, and as you can see, we have the fingerprint that is displayed on the screen. We just check that it's the right one. So this is seed 1, and we have 29003459. And then we're gonna do BIP39 passphrase. So we're gonna modify the seed with a passphrase. And there, we can add the passphrase in the form of words by copying every word of our passphrase. So this is what we're gonna do right now. Okay, we're done, and now that we have entered the full passphrase, we can click this button, which will say confirm. Okay, and so now you can verify the passphrase, which is very important, so that you can check you entered the words correctly. And we did. And now, as you can see, the fingerprint has changed. So this one is the fingerprint of your signing key, which is the combination of the seed and the passphrase. So we're gonna write it down. And then click done. Okay, so now that the first seed is done, we can discard it. We can do the same with the 4 other seeds, add the passphrase, and create the signing key. Okay, we now have our 5 new fingerprints for our signing keys, which again is the seeds and the passphrase combined. So now that it's done, we have all 5 of them. I'm gonna close this, discard the last signing key, and power off the device. Put the SD card inside again for storage, and we're done with the seed signer for now. So I have my passphrase backups that I can put on the side right now, the QR codes as well. And now we're gonna do the backup of this new fingerprint on our 12 words backups. So this is seed 5. I'm gonna do it the other way around. And what I'll do is I'm gonna write signing key at the bottom. That way we understand that this one comes is for the signing key. Next, seed 4. And that's it. We have completed our backups, both for the 12 words, the QR codes, and the passphrase. So we are good to go. We won't need this one anymore. We'll probably destroy it later on. And so, as you can probably see and experience for yourself, adding the passphrase on top of the seed is something that takes a lot of time. You have to be very careful, especially the first time you do it, because it doesn't allow you to add the words with any kind of help or a fingerprint to verify that you've entered them correctly. So it's very cumbersome to do it, but it's the only way to do it right now. Maybe in the future we'll have Seed Signer add a feature to add a seed as a passphrase, but for now this is the only way to do it. As you can see with the change in the fingerprints, adding the passphrase to the seeds transforms them into completely new seeds. That means the guardians who hold the seeds for the heirs won't be able to recover the Bitcoin vault without the passphrase, which will be in possession of the heirs.